Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Hey there! Are you ready to elevate your car's interior with the ultimate in comfort and style? Today, I'm going to show you the world's top 5 best carpet floor mats for cars, guaranteed to transform your driving experience. Whether you're looking to protect your vehicle from dirt and spills or simply upgrade its aesthetics, these mats are the perfect blend of durability and elegance. From luxurious designs to rugged reliability, we've handpicked the finest options on the market. So, if you're ready to make a smart investment in your car's interior, stay tuned till the end. Check the link in the description below for more details and where to buy. Let's dive in and find your perfect match. Number 1. FH Group Car Floor Mats Carpet for Cars, your ultimate choice for the best carpet floor mats for cars. These mats are meticulously designed to offer a universal fit, ensuring they seamlessly adapt to most sedans, SUVs, and trucks. Crafted from flexible materials, they contour to your vehicle's interior, providing a semi-customizable fit that enhances both style and functionality. Made with soft carpeting, these mats excel at trapping dirt and grime, effectively safeguarding your car's floors from everyday messes. Beyond protection, they elevate comfort levels within your vehicle, making every drive a cozy experience. Worried about stains? Fear not, as these mats are engineered with high-end materials that act as a formidable barrier against spills and wear, preserving your car's pristine interior. Equipped with a non-slip backing featuring nibs, these mats stay securely anchored in place, ensuring stability even during the most spirited drives. Installation is a breeze, simply place them in your car and enjoy hassle-free setup and removal whenever needed. Whether you're commuting daily or embarking on a road trip, the FH Group Car Floor Mats offer unmatched versatility and durability, making them a must-have accessory for any vehicle. Discover the perfect blend of protection, comfort, and ease with these exceptional floor mats. Number 2. BDK Floor Mats for Cars are a top-tier choice for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's interior with stylish and functional accessories. These two-tone carpet mats, adorned with faux leather accents, are built to protect your car's floors against spills, debris, and the harsh elements of rain, snow, and mud. Engineered for durability, they are designed to last through the toughest conditions. What sets these mats apart is their ability to revitalize your car's interior with a sleek and colorful design, making them a perfect fit for those who appreciate both style and practicality. The no-slip grip is a standout feature, with rubberized nibs on the bottom ensuring the mats stay securely in place, while ergonomic grooves on top provide excellent traction and comfort for your feet. The built-in heel rest station, equipped with strong grips, adds an extra layer of comfort and stability while driving. These mats are designed to fit most cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs, with dimensions that make them versatile and easy to install. The front mats measure 26.5 inches in length and 17 inches in width, while the rear mats are 13 inches by 17 inches, ensuring a snug fit for a variety of vehicles. Before installation, it's recommended to check the measurements to ensure the perfect fit. If you're in the market for the best carpet floor mats for cars, the BDK floor mats are an excellent choice, combining style, protection, and comfort in one exceptional product. Number 3. SPass Rainbow Waterproof Universal Fit Faux Leather Car Carpet, designed to elevate both style and functionality in your vehicle. These floor mats are crafted with a thoughtful blend of aesthetics and practicality, featuring a striking black with red trim that adds a sporty and fashionable touch to any car interior. The heavy nibbed backing ensures a secure fit, preventing any slippage even during the most dynamic drives, thus providing essential safety for you and your passengers. Made from waterproof Oxford material and faux leather, these mats are not only durable but also incredibly easy to clean. Simply hose them down to remove dirt, mud, and grime, maintaining their sleek appearance effortlessly. SPass has prioritized convenience with these mats, offering a stain-resistant surface that maintains a fitted look, ensuring your vehicle's interior remains pristine and stylish. Whether you drive a sedan, crossover, SUV, truck, or van, the set of 4 mats, 2 front, 2 rear, are perfectly sized to fit most vehicle types, making them a versatile choice for any automotive enthusiast. Backed by a 2-year warranty and a commitment to customer satisfaction, SPass guarantees quality and reliability with every purchase, providing peace of mind alongside exceptional performance. If you're looking to upgrade your car's interior with the best carpet floor mats available, the SPass Rainbow Waterproof Universal Fit Faux Leather Car Carpet stands out as a top choice, offering a blend of durability, style, and easy maintenance that's hard to beat. Number 4. ZoneTech All-Weather Carpet Vehicle Floor Mats, a top-tier choice in the realm of premium carpet floor mats for cars. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail by ZoneTech, these mats epitomize durability and functionality. Each set includes 4 pieces tailored to fit snugly into your vehicle, 2 for the front seats, driver and passenger, and 2 for the rear seats, ensuring comprehensive coverage. The mats are constructed from high-quality carpet material that not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your car's interior but also provides excellent protection against dirt, mud, and spills. One of the standout features of the ZoneTech mats is their integrated vinyl heel pad, strategically placed on the driver's side mat. This addition not only reinforces durability but also safeguards against wear and tear in a high-traffic area prone to abrasion. The mats are designed to withstand all weather conditions, making them ideal for year-round use, whether facing scorching summers or icy winters. They are easy to clean and maintain, requiring only a quick vacuum or a rinse with water and mild soap to restore their pristine appearance. Installation is hassle-free thanks to their universal fit design, which accommodates most cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs. The anti-slip backing ensures the mats stay securely in place, providing peace of mind while driving. Whether you prioritize style, comfort, or functionality, the ZoneTech All-Weather Carpet Vehicle Floor Mats excel on all fronts, offering a blend of aesthetics and practicality that few products can match in the category of car floor mats. If you're looking to upgrade your vehicle's interior with reliable, stylish, and easy-to-maintain floor mats, look no further than the ZoneTech All-Weather Carpet Mats. Number 5. Amazon Basics Universal Fit Carpet Floor Mats, the ultimate choice for keeping your vehicle's interior pristine while adding comfort and style. This premium set of 4 black carpet floor mats, 2 for the front and 2 for the rear, provides superior protection against spills, dirt, mud, and debris. Designed with practicality in mind, these mats feature rubberized nibs on the bottom for a secure, non-slip grip, ensuring they stay firmly in place no matter the road conditions. The mats also boast a thoughtful design with a padded heel rest and ergonomic grooves on top, offering both traction and enhanced comfort during every drive. Their semi-universal size makes them versatile enough to fit most cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs, catering to a wide range of vehicle owners seeking the best carpet floor mats available. These Amazon Basics mats are not just about functionality, they blend seamlessly into any vehicle interior with their sleek black finish, complementing a variety of styles and preferences. Whether you're looking to protect your car's original flooring or simply upgrade to mats that offer durability and comfort, these carpet floor mats deliver on all fronts. Perfectly sized with dimensions of 25 by 17.5 inches for the front and 13 by 17.5 inches for the rear, they provide ample coverage without overwhelming smaller vehicles. For anyone searching for reliable, well-designed floor mats that prioritize both form and function, the Amazon Basics Universal Fit Carpet Floor Mats are undoubtedly a top choice, ensuring your vehicle stays clean and comfortable on every journey. In conclusion, choosing the best carpet floor mats for your car involves balancing durability, style, and practicality to enhance your driving experience. Whether you prioritize protection against spills and dirt, or seek a stylish upgrade for your vehicle's interior, the options reviewed here offer a range of features to suit every need. Remember, investing in quality floor mats not only keeps your car cleaner but also adds to its overall appeal and resale value. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share for more updates on automotive essentials. Drive safe and enjoy the comfort of your newly upgraded car mats.